Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can export the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Adobe Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I have already opened it. Now simply we have to click on the new project, and after clicking on the new project, we have to import some videos here. For example, I'm going to choose these videos. Let's click on this. And after choosing these videos, simply we have to click on the create, and after clicking on the create, these videos will be imported into our timeline. So let's click on the create here. So as you can see now the videos are imported here. Now if you want to make changes in this, you can also do that. For example, if you want to make cuts, for example, I'm going to make some random cuts here like here, and I'm going to take the move tool and I want to delete this part. And now simply I'm going to make these with here. And so as you can see now I have made some changes here. So as you can see, here's an option for the quick export if you want to export to the video in with the normal settings. So you have to click on the export and the video exporting will be started. If you want more settings, then you have to go to the export option, and here you will get all the settings of your export. And after doing these all settings, you have to click on the export and the video will be exported. So in this way you can export the video on Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.